Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create Amazon shopping account. So in order to do this, first of all navigate to Play Store on your mobile phone, then click on the search icon, click on search apps and games bar and search for Amazon. Now click on the search result that is Amazon, and from this page you will have to install the Amazon application. So click on the install button just right here. Now, it will take some time to get installed onto your mobile phone. After this gets installed, you will see an open icon appearing just right here. Simply click on that open icon, or you can also navigate to your mobile homepage and click on the Amazon icon. Now you will see Amazon application opening up on your mobile phone. Here, you will have the home icon, the account icon, the shopping cart icon, and the tools icon. So on this page, you'll have to click on this icon, that is the second icon. Now, when you click here, it will show up this page. Here, this page will greet you with welcome to Amazon message. In order to create a shopping account, you'll have to click on create account button just right here. Now, on this page, you'll have to enter your mobile number or email address. So navigate to this field and enter your email address or mobile number. After this, click on the continue button. Now, you'll have to click on proceed to create an account button. After you click on this button, it will show up this create account page where you'll have to click on the mobile number icon. Now choose your country or region code, and after selecting it, click on this area and enter a valid mobile number. After you enter your mobile number, you'll have to enter your first and last name on this page. After this, you'll have to enter a password that is at least 6 characters. So while creating a password, you'll have to remember that in order to create a strong one, you'll have to make sure that the password is a combination of uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. So after you create your password, you'll have to click on verify phone number button, that is verify mobile number. After you click on this, you'll have to choose I will enter the OTP myself. Now, you'll have to enter the OTP on this page and click on continue. After you sign in with your OTP, you would have successfully created your account and logged in to that account. As you can see, it says hello. And I have my orders checklist here, buy again button here, your account button here, and your list button here. As you can see, if I click on your account, I will have all my orders, account settings, and Amazon Pay, Message Center, personalization, and managing data and app preference tools just in this section. Now, if you click on this three-dotted icon here, navigate to account, click on login and security, you will see all the login and security details of your Amazon shopping account. And you can create passkey, password, two-step verification, or set a primary mobile number, edit your name and email on this page. Now you can simply open up this app, search for any item that you want to buy, select that item, click on add to cart, navigate to your cart, click on proceed to buy and fill in your details, complete the payment, and you can successfully create your Amazon account and use it to purchase products. So that's how you create Amazon shopping account. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.